season today, baby. It's so nice out, man. They need to fix that big time. The transition and overlay of the shitty road is so bad. You're not paying attention, man. You will go down. Texas pickleball is almost ready, baby. Almost. I wonder if they're actually open. Man, Texas Roadhouse sounds good right now. What we about to do, I'm about to chill for a quick second. And the bike is running fine. It's not running hot at all. This is actually one of the warmer days that we've had this week. It's been pretty cold. Cold and rainy. And that's part of the reason why we did not go camping this weekend, is because I didn't think it was going to stop. So we just decided to call that one off. And even though this was like one of the best weekends, because we didn't have really much to do. We didn't really have much to do. One thing I got to change on here, I'm going to have to do it, and I don't really want to do it, but I'm going to have to get on and rewrap the pipe. It's starting to turn white. All the black is starting to burn off, which is so weird because it lasted for such a long time. But yeah, man. So I did get some damn good news. You know, thank God, got a little bit of good news. Your boy got a job. Your boy finally got a job. It's been a little while. I've been looking for so long, man. You know, they kind of aided in my issues, kind of depression issues that I was having, because I was trying so hard to get a job, man, to get this position as in the pharmacy, and it was just like I just kept getting rejected, no after no after no after no, and it just sucked, man. It sucks when to get rejected so much, but your boy finally got a J.O. Bizzle, a career start in this new direction, and I'm super happy because that was one of my goals for this year on my vision chart, was to pass that certification, get my license, got 2 of my licenses, and to get a job. And it finally happened, man. So you know, big shout out to the company, man, who saw my potential and everything, and gave me a shot, you know what I'm saying? Because your boy needs to catch up on some stuff, man. It's basically what's been going on, what's been happening for quite a while now. And it was all good when business was like really, really booming, especially after that first year of COVID, like 2021. But then business started kind of to die down a little bit, just a little bit. More than normal. But the thing is that for the last couple of years, everything that I've been making in the business has been going back into the business and has been paying or supplementing the money that we use basically from my wife's paycheck from her job. And so all of our living expenses, all that stuff is being paid directly from her job, my benefits, and whatever extra money that we have been making from the business. So it's been not necessarily putting a strain on things, but it's like you're so dependent on how much you bring in from the business, that it's really scary at times, because for a good stretch it was not pulling in anything, like really almost anything, and it was just like you're barely hanging on, you know what I mean? Using up all the savings, using up all the stuff, and it sucks, man. So me trying to get back into the workforce, it should alleviate that, meaning that I shouldn't have to, I don't want to have to depend or use any of the money from the business to fund anything that we need as far as like lifestyle or stuff like that. It needs to, go back into the business for growing, marketing, and then be able to do stuff, fun stuff, save up and put money away for like fun stuff when we go on vacations or do whatever we need. We haven't been able to do that for a while because that's what we've been dependent on. So yeah, man, it's been a journey, and you know, hopefully, you know, I'll learn a lot and I'll learn quickly, and I will be able to you know, to have some security, some job security in this. And like I said, excel in it. What is that? Okay, that's the texture coating. I thought that was like a leak. I was like, what? Man, Suzuki did a damn good job on these bikes, guys. Like, it's just insane how well. Also, I'm very excited because I didn't even notice that. It's 2 different bolts. 2 different types of bolts. Weird. I never noticed that. But you know, eventually at some point, I'm hoping, you know, now that I'll have the job. I looked at how much I owe on this, and I'm really hoping to pay it down, probably another couple thousand, another $2,000 or $3,000, and then I might seriously contemplate trading in for something else, possibly. But I kind of threw that shit off the radar because it just wasn't necessary. And like I said, what I want, I know I'm gonna have to pay a little bit more for, so I want to be able to get some equity out of this, and before I try to jump into something else. And also, part of me just like wants to just like pay it off and keep it, and grab a second, you know, grab something else. But I don't know, man. We'll see what happens, dude. I'm kind of impulsive sometimes. So, I don't know. We'll see. But at first, your boy got to pay down some bills and put some more money back into the savings accounts, because it's been going down. It's been dwindling. And, you know, it just sucks, man. So, anyways, trying to give it a little bit of time for some of the traffic to get out of here. There's a lot of traffic today. Sitting at 203. Like I said, it's a warm day, man. When it was, like, super cold, holy crap, I couldn't even see, like, 180. It was, like... That's how cool it was. That's how cool it was outside. And the pressure too high. And the pressure. So let's get up out of here. It's been a good day, man. For a while, there was a cop behind me on the freeway. That's why I was like, I didn't really want to gun it and try to like go super fast, but after a while I just said fuck it, I'm just gonna go, man, because I hate riding around people, because you just gotta, it takes too much time and effort trying to boggle your head around trying to figure out what the hell people are trying to do. So I'd rather just get around them and get out the way on the phone. I know this morning we had a soccer game right over here at the sports complex, at the soccer complex, and my son did a pretty good job. He was nervous. This is his first time back. He did pretty good though. And it was an early game, so thank God it wasn't like super late. But man, before I went to come ride, dude, like I was so tired, man. I slept in a little late and I was just tired. I almost wanted to stop and just take a nap, but I was like, no, let me go out now. And then I almost changed my mind because I saw the news that like 5 bikes had already gone down. And I was just like, man, I ought to just stay my ass at the house. But it was just so nice out, man. I was like, I gotta go today. I gotta go out there. I think they be doing meets up here on Sundays. I'm gonna have to try to figure that out, see what's going on. We got the the Tech Air 5 on today. I got the hoodie on. It was kind of warm. It's actually cooling down the more and more the sun goes down. But I just felt like at the time, that the leather the leather jacket was too much. I am wearing the leather pants though. Yeah, I wanted to wear the leather pants because just a little peace of mind, to have a little bit more protection. Yeah, that's a lot of people on the road today. A ton of people on the road today. Boom, boom, boom. Dude, that's clean. That's a clean Honda. That's a clean Honda. popping, boy. That been popping. That been popping, boy. So powerful, dude. This bike is crazy, man. It's just so untamed. So raw. It's just spitting. Blah, 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 blah. I'm in 6th gear in this shit. Blah, 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 blah. D-cell popping. I love this bike. It's crazy. I'm riding big out. I'm riding big out. Do what you got, I'll go take what I skate. I'm riding big out. I'm riding big out. The hardest to see.